This fascinating print is an illustration of an early diving bell, one of the earliest ways that humans were able to spend time underwater without holding their breath. Two men stand inside the bell, removing stones from the sea floor. Fish are swimming around them, presumably objecting to the rude interruption of their daily lives. The bell is suspended from above by a chain that is operated by a simple pulley system on a support vessel, allowing it to be easily raised and lowered to the seabed. The science behind a diving bell is simple. When a container with an open bottom is above water level, it fills with air. Because air is lighter than water, when the container is submersed, the air stays inside, trapped. This air allows the divers to stay on the sea floor and move around happily, but only for a limited time, as the air becomes toxic, forcing a return to the surface. At the time, the very idea of people descending beneath the water was exotic and simply astonishing. Images like this showed humans conquering the sea, an environment usually associated with danger and mystery, where sea monsters lived. For the very first time, they allowed humans to explore and work underwater. They could salvage valuable cargo from shipwrecks like bronze cannons and other valuables. They could assist in marine constructions, such as bridges or harbours, or the deepening of rivers. They could clear navigational obstacles, or bring up objects and even living creatures from the sea floor to study. Nowadays we take this all for granted, but in the 1600s, working underwater and raising up objects from the deep was like a magic trick. The original image comes from a German illustration, and that is no accident. The port of Hamburg, one of Europe's most thriving ports in the 17th century, was a hub of engineering innovation and a crucial location for the development of this technology. One of the most important experiments conducted in Hamburg was how often new air was needed to keep the divers conscious and alive. These crucial experiments quietly laid the groundwork that led directly to modern scuba and submersibles, which have in turn utterly transformed our understanding of the oceans. But even so, there still remains so much to be discovered.